everyone, my name is Gan Xiao Li from SBP4. In this presentation, I will be discussing my industrial training in UG Global Resources Sdn Bhd. So UG Global Resources, or we call it UGGR, is a manufacturer and exporter of latex and nitrile examination gloves with a global distribution network which is located in Seremban, Negeri Sembilan. So it is one of the subsidiaries and manufacturing plants of UG Healthcare Corporation, which listed in the Singapore Stock Exchange in 2014. Their vision is to be recognized as a premier and trusted healthcare group by growing and expanding into other arenas of the healthcare industry with the mission to produce and deliver world-class quality products to customers. The corporation established its first manufacturing plant in 1989, which is called NS Uniglove Sdn Bhd, and began its international expansion by incorporating or establishing their own distribution platform. So, in order to fulfill their demand, UGGR was set up in 2010 and is now the main manufacturing plant. Currently, they manage to distribute their products to more than 50 countries in the world through their distribution platform and third-party distributors. While developing an international distribution platform, the company also focused on improving product quality, and throughout the years, the company was able to obtain certification on their quality management system and consistently updated with the latest QMS. This is the organization chart of UGGR, and those highlighted roles in UGGR are shared resources of job position or function with NS Unigloves. UGGR manufactures and distributes a wide range of latex and nitrile examination gloves under the Unigloves brand as well as OEM. Their products have been certified by several international governing bodies, ranging from FDA, CFDA, ANVISA, NIF-DAC, and also obtain a CE marking. During my time in UGGR, I worked as a QA trainee at the Quality Management System QMS division within the QA department. My daily tasks and activities can be divided into the following categories, ranging from inspect physical dimension, perform physical testing, clerical work, assist in machine and equipment calibration, assist in product shelf life study, and also plant visit. Most of the time, I was responsible for dimension measurement and weight checking to ensure it complies with product specifications and take notes of any defects or field results to be reported for immediate corrective actions. Another routine task was to perform physical testing. Samples that have passed dimension measurement and weight checking will cut into a dumbbell shape using suitable dumbbell die cutter, then put to its breaking point using tensile strength machine to determine the ultimate tensile strength, elongation, and force break of the material. After calculating for the result, I need to ensure it meets the product specifications with respect to before aging physical properties and update field results for immediate corrective action. The rest of the sample will undergo heat aging degradation or accelerated aging test by putting it into the oven for a week and perform physical tests to ensure it meets the product specification with respect to after aging physical properties. So, only batches that comply to the acceptable level for defects are approved for shipment to customers. Meanwhile, I was responsible for clerical work such as sample labeling and packing, preparing report template, data entry, documentation, and filing. I also have a chance to went to an off-site store to learn document archiving. During my internship, I was involved in the calibration process by assisting in checking the information on the calibration sticker, ensure all the registered machine and equipment labeled with calibration sticker, help to renew the calibration sticker before due date, and calibrate a new baking scale. I also assist in preparing samples and packing materials for product shelf life study purpose and help to organize and sort the samples in the shelf life room. Besides working on my routine tasks, I have the chance to be exposed to a manufacturing process flow on how to fabricate a rubber glove. However, due to the extension of MCO, I received instruction from the management to work from home starting from 24 May until the end of my internship. So I was mainly responsible for data entry and monitor the result of physical testing to ensure compliance with product specifications during my time at home. Throughout my internship, I could understand more about the role of a QA personnel. The point of quality assurance is to catch any product that falls below the standard of quality quickly and implement the corrective action to ensure customer satisfaction. In the end, all the tasks indirectly helped me to learn independently, discipline myself, be considerate and patient, self-trust, take initiative, and the ability to solve problems. So, My suggestion for faculty to improve the program is try to be proactive in formalizing collaboration with different industries. And second is hold pre-internship sessions to provide more suggestions on positions that related to our course and provide course syllabus for the company upon internship application. According to a current situation in the industry, UGGR are subject to intense competition from other glove manufacturing companies and labor shortage. So my suggestion for the first problem is become more consumer-centric and try to attract and retain necessary talent in the industry. While for the second problem, the solution is start to employ locals and provide cross-training and development among employees. I totally agree that constantly strengthening areas of weakness can make myself a more competitive candidate for employment. So, as a fresh graduate, I would like to enhance my interpersonal skills and in the meantime, constantly accrue experience and professional skills to stand out among the competition. The time I spent in UGGR as a QA intern was a memorable one for me, as it was rich in experience sharing and helped me discover my potential. So here are some of the photos taken during my time in UGGR. However, due to the work from home instruction, I didn't manage to take some photos with my colleagues before the end of my internship. So that's all for my presentation and thanks for your attention.